Welcome. In this video, we'll see how we can configure a hotspot on a Teltonika router to work with an external captive portal. First, we'll go to System and in Package Manager, we'll install the hotspot package. Once the installation is complete, we'll go to Services, Hotspot, and here we'll add the Wi-Fi interface to the hotspot instance. In the configuration, in authentication mode, we'll select radius, and in landing page type, we'll select external. Then we will add the address of our external captive portal here. To create an external captive portal, our team has developed a software application through which a portal can be created easily. We'll use that to create the portal. We'll go to templates and create a portal template. On the right side, we can see a preview of what the portal will look like. We can select the fields that we want, for example, first name and email. There are several other options here, but we can review those in another video. For now, we'll go to Portals and create a portal that references the template that we just created. Let's enter a name for it and select the various options. The hardware type will be Kuvachili, which is the captive portal package that Teltonika uses. And we'll enter the secret here, which is used to secure the communication between the portal and the Teltonika device. We'll then enter a site ID, which creates a unique guest portal URL, and we will reference the template that we just created. This guest portal URL will need to be entered in the Teltonika hotspot options as the landing page address. In the secret, we will enter the secret that we created earlier, and after the user is successfully authorized, we can redirect them to a different website such as google.com. Next, we'll go to the radius tab and we will enter the address of our radius server and its secret key, and we'll click on Save and Apply. Once that is done, we will enable the hotspot instance and click on Save and Apply. Our captive portal is now ready. We can now test it. Let's click on our SSID. This opens the captive portal that we just created. We will enter our first name and email address here. The user is redirected to google.com and then the portal closes automatically. The information that was entered by the user can be seen here in the Customers tab. That's it for now. This was a simple guide to set up a hotspot with an external captive portal on Teltonika. We hope you found this video useful. Thanks and have a nice day.